Douglas has played the character of DCI Jimmy Perez since the show's inception in 2013, but back in July revealed to viewers it would be the last time he played the iconic character. Deciding to leave the Shetland ahead of its 7th series, DCI Perez is set to be replaced by a familiar face and will carry on the crime-stopping series. However, Douglas has since opened up about the idea of someone taking his place, revealing it feels weird. After playing the role for so long, Douglas certainly finds it strange to think someone else will be representing the series he has grown close to. He admitted, "It will be weird knowing they're shooting an 8th series and I'm not there. But I'm not sure what the show is going to be. I hope it works out and I wish them every success, but it isn't going to be the show I was in. They will have to make a whole other show," he told Radio Times. Whilst Shetland first flew under the radar when it hit screens back in 2013, Douglas has always thanked the early viewers for being kind and generous, adding Twitter helped its popularity. He explained, "It's weird. People have been so kind and generous. The series flew under the radar for quite a long time and Twitter did an awful lot of good for our show in terms of publicizing it. The people that have come along with us are a very eclectic bunch." Touching on whether it was an easy decision to leave Jimmy Perez behind, he admitted he finally feels comfortable with the decision he made. Since Douglas revealed he would be leaving the show, many fans have been theorizing about who would be replacing him. Taking to their Twitter accounts, Haldane Williamson theorized, "I reckon at Martin_Compston would be good as the new lead in #Shetland. Do you agree?" at Henshall #Shetland. At Scary Monster 2 commented, "Someone suggested to me that at Martin_Compston should take over from you next season of Shetland, and now I can't stop thinking about it. How does Jimmy's story end? Heroic death? Happy ever after with Meg? Sick?" Martin Compston seems to be the favorite at the moment, but as the series continues, many have thought about Alison Tosh McIntosh, played by Alison O'Donnell, taking the reins. At David Hendry 76 exclaimed, "Jimmy, get that jacket changed at Martin_Compston. Tosh left a space for you to slide into. Just up the cut for you, know it makes sense." Sick. Callie Kitson added, "If Tosh becomes the new lead when Jimmy leaves, I'll be grand with that. Think they filmed seasons 7 and 8 before this season started being shown, so should have Jimmy for 2 seasons yet. My tip for a promotion, Tosh," Jason Nicole said. BBC and Douglas himself have kept quiet about the way he will be leaving the show and will leave viewers on the edge of their seats. In a preview for tonight's episode, an encounter between Martin Otina, Lottie Amarua, and Abby, Lauren Conroy, sees the pair skirt around the issue, yet the atmosphere is clearly a tense one. "Was it you who cleaned my room?" Martin asks Abby in the kitchen. She denies it twice, before Martin insists, "Thing is, I lost something. Maybe you took it by mistake." But instead of repeating she doesn't know what Hess talking about, Abby tells him, "No, why would I do that?" As the mystery behind Connor's disappearance continues to unravel, Tosh is also grappling with the emotional aftermath of barely surviving an explosion. Read the full interview with Douglas Henshall at Radio Times. Co.uk. Shetland airs Wednesdays from 9 p.m. on BBC One.